we're starting to look at to kind of try and incorporate in that. You just build that onto the existing data framework.
Now, I know you've got a client where you've actually tried to put the whole data management at the forefront of their, sort of hold them back, reining them back a little bit from the data science to actually look at the data management.
Well, it's a brilliant example actually, because what happened there was that we want to do some data science with the client, but what we thought we'd do, we would look at how we can tap into the data that supports decision making. And the value of doing that, you start at the high level, rather than working at the kind of data store level, we start at the decision and work backwards. Because then you know that you're following the value, the line of value. Because the data decision, or the decision based on the data, is where all the value lies in the business.
Absolutely. It's the business that has to drive the data science here.
And to get users engaged as well, again, starting with the business decision, starting with the things that they care about most, then we work backwards. We're the ones who then sort of, once we've defined the data types in ways that they understand, not necessarily our understanding of data types, but the ways that the users understand, we're the ones who then take the effort of going back into the data stores or going back into Excel and finding out where that data lives.
Yeah.
And then we can start to build a model from all that. And you know that whatever you do, you're following the value.
And it's that production data that you had an example with a particular client,
Yeah.
where you kind of focused on what is the actual business need that they're trying to do, which was, for example, I think it was building or changing out a pump, an ESP.
That's right. Yeah.
And by focusing on what data types you needed to do that particular job, you were able to give them that data, and only that data, which is key, because we have data overload apart from anything else. So you were able to focus down, look at the business decision, and then the actual data required, and deliver that data of a known quality. And that is combining, in fact, it's the essential part of data science, is focusing in on the data you need. Otherwise, we're going to get swamped with all this stuff.
That's right.
And so I guess we need to condition that data and get it
in the right format for users to use, because the users want all the data all of the time, right?
Yeah.
But unfortunately, it's not all high quality.